Hi, my name is Whitney Nalepa, and my diversity topic is inclusive strategies for non-general education students. In the book A Search for Common Ground, Heston O'Gara states, "Every child deserves the opportunity to master essential skills, understand their world, develop their gifts, prepare for the responsibilities of citizenship, and pursue their dreams," which I believe describes the need for inclusive strategies. Inclusive strategies are intentional teaching practices designed to ensure that all students, regardless of ability, language background, or cultural identity, have equitable access to learning, participation, and achievement. I teach 7th grade accelerated math, which is mostly made up of gifted learners, but some are also English language learners and/or twice gifted students, meaning they're gifted and neurodivergent. This presentation explores research and theory on inclusive strategies for special education, gifted, and ELL students. There were 4 themes that I found throughout my 5 research articles: collaboration and collective responsibility, universal design for learning and accountability, culturally responsive and equitable practices, and shifting our mindsets. The first theme, collaboration and collective responsibility. This theme tells us that inclusiveness thrives when teachers work together across general education, special education, and ESL programs. Research from both Villa and Garcia and Tyler shows that collaboration and shared accountability lead to stronger student outcomes in the core content areas. Policies like the IDEIA and the No Child Left Behind both promote planning and shared responsibility for all learners. In practice, co-planning, communication, and team problem solving ensure that every student can access the core content. The key idea for this theme is inclusive teaching as a team effort, not a solo act. The second theme is universal design for learning, which I'll reference as the UDL, and accessibility. UDL provides a proactive framework to reduce barriers and meet diverse learning needs, according to Rao, Torres, and Tan. The 3 principles of this framework focus on multiple means of representation, expression, and engagement to reduce the learning barriers. Applying the UDL in math would include visuals, manipulatives, interactive tools, and other variety of ways to demonstrate understanding. The UDL aligns with cognitive learning theory by addressing how students perceive and process information differently. The key idea from this theme is designing lessons for variability from the start so every learner can succeed. The third theme is culturally responsive and equitable practices. Teaching must reflect students' cultural, linguistic, and community contexts, according to Ford and Rao and Torres. Culturally relevant and responsive pedagogy values diversity, identity, and student voice, also according to Ford. We must incorporate real-world, culturally relevant examples, and also I can highlight diverse mathematicians and thinkers. Also, family and community partnerships will strengthen equity and engagement. The key idea for this theme is equity instruction should reflect learner diversity. And finally, the last theme is shifting mindsets from deficits to strengths. We must view differences as assets, not limitations or deficits, according to Tan and Ford. When we move away from deficit thinking, we're able to recognize every student's potential. And shifting our mindset helps to build empathy, confidence, and belonging by allowing all students to learn and collaborate together. An asset-based mindset will improve both the academic and social-emotional outcomes for our students. The key idea here is inclusion begins with a mindset that every learner has potential worth uncovering. As I reflect on my research, I can apply many ideas to my professional practice. Number 1, I need to design lessons that lower the barriers, including language, ability, and cultural barriers. Number 2, collaboration among my colleagues should help to differentiate the math instruction. My team, which includes 7th grade teachers of all learners, meets weekly to discuss the strategies we're using to teach various standards. And this team consists of those teachers for gifted, special ed, and ELL students. Number 3, using culturally relevant examples in math instruction can help engage all learners. And most importantly, viewing each and every student as capable and valuable.